What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus.
Richie Ruckus
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Thursday, January 11th. I hope everybody's week is going as good as mine is. This weekend is a very, very important sneaker release. It is the biggest sneaker release of 2018 as far as I'm concerned. And I'm not talking about up until this point of 2018. This is going to be the best sneaker release of 2018. Before we get into this preview, you guys know the drill. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit that thumb up if you're feeling this video, and follow your boy on all social. First things first, again, I have the Seinfeld Sneaker Thing shirt on. You guys overwhelmingly voted on my Instagram story, and it's been a commanding yes. I believe the last time I looked, it was like 93% yes, 7% no on whether I should drop this shirt. I'm getting a lot of positive feedback. I have a couple other designs in mind other than a Seinfeld one, so I'm going to work on them. Whichever one looks like it's going to appease the customers the most is going to be the one I drop. But enough about me. Let's preview the upcoming sneaker release from your boy, John Geiger, this Saturday, January 13th at 12 p.m. on johngeigerco.com. We will finally be getting the release of the Chili Pepper Italian Pebbled Leather from John Geiger. They're releasing at 12 p.m. this Saturday. Once again, on johngeigerco.com. They are retailing at $550, and without a doubt, they're going to be the sneaker of 2018. I myself personally cannot wait to purchase these sneakers this coming Saturday. Now, I know there's a lot of questions running through your mind right now. Are the sneakers worth the $550 price point? I can put your mind somewhat at ease on that question. I don't have the red chili pepper Jones yet, but I do have in hand the burnt orange that we've already previously reviewed on my channel. You guys know how I feel about these sneakers. They were the #1 sneaker of 2017 as far as I was concerned. The quality and craftsmanship that goes into John sneakers is unmatched. As far as I'm concerned, John Geiger is the Martin Scorsese of making sneakers. Now, I know a lot of people may not agree with that sentiment, and that's fine. Everybody's entitled to their opinion. Just like you won't be able to change my mind on what you think the sneaker of 2018 will be, I'm not here to try to change your mind. What I am trying to tell you is that the money that you will spend on this sneaker is well worth the product you will get in return. The quality and craftsmanship that goes into a John Geiger sneaker, like I already stated, is unprecedented. You will not find better quality. You will not find more attention to detail than you do on a John Geiger. And if anybody can outdo it, it's John Geiger. So I'm very excited to get my hands on this chili pepper pair. I think they are completely bonkers. And as you guys all know, I am a humongous sucker for a red sneaker. So I personally cannot wait to feast and get my hands on these bad boys. Other reasons factor into purchasing this sneaker and why I think it's the sneaker of the year. You're supporting a one-man business. Now, granted, there's people who work for John Geiger. This is a man who is self-made. This is not buying a sneaker off a huge sneaker conglomerate like Nike. So again, the price point is a little bit steeper because of the operation. And then furthermore, the price is steeper because these are a luxury sneaker. These are not a pair of sneakers you're going to throw on and then go run ball in. His sneakers are elegant, pristine, and most importantly, look so dope on feet. I can't tell you how many compliments I get when I have these on my feet. The color of the burnt orange is just perfect. I'm sure once I get the red ones in hand and we review them on this channel, that sentiment will be echoed. That's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I'm not here to blow smoke. I'm not here to try to convince you of something that you don't believe in. My main goal of this was just to let you guys know, if you were on the fence about dropping that $550 on the sneaker, I personally, as a purchaser of a previous John Geiger sneaker, that it will be money well spent. But that's it, guys. I'm going to get out of here. Until tomorrow, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
So, I understand you're buying your shoes now at Botticelli.
What? Who told you that?
Gail Cunningham?
I don't understand. Why is this woman talking about my shoes? Why are my shoes a topic of conversation?
Well, we were just talking, and she mentioned how you're buying your shoes now at Botticelli's.
How am I buying my shoes now at Botticelli's? Did you hear this? So what? She is talking about my shoes. She is discussing my shoes. It is nobody's business where I buy my shoes.
Richie Rock this beat.